Hallmark Nature Nest, where luxury meets acres 45 acres of beautifully crafted landscapes designed with nature at its heart. This community features G+2 low-rise structures offering you both space and privacy. With 447 exclusive units, Hallmark Nature Nest brings you the comfort of 3 and 4 BHK home ranging from 2,745 to 6,435 square feet. Thoughtfully designed for your family comfort and elegance. Step into a world where your sunrise feels refreshing, every breeze whispers, and every corner reflects harmony with nature. At the center of all it lies a grand 50,000 square feet clubhouse where you can relax and reconnect, complete with modern amenities, fitness zones, indoor games, and lush outdoor spaces. Here you do not just live in a home, you live in a nature masterpiece built with hallmarks, promises of trust, quality, and timeless design. Hallmark Nest your scenery world of luxury, craft, and nature immense. Built with hallmarks, legacy of trust, innovation, and timeless design. This is more than a home. Life is a lifestyle embraced by nature. Hallmark Nature Nest, where luxury meets fresh air.